So the next topic is electrostatic potential difference between 2 point A and B. So first of all, let's see the definition of electric potential between 2 point A and B. So according to the definition, electrostatic potential difference between 2 point A and B in electric field is defined as the work done in moving unit positive charge from point A to point B. Unit positive charge from point A to point B. See in this figure, A and B are the 2 points, and if I take 1 coulomb charge over here, so the amount of work done to bring this 1 coulomb charge from A to B, which is given by work done to bring 1 coulomb charge from A to B. So that amount of work is basically the difference between the potential at B and potential at A. Or in other words, we can also define as it is also defined as the electric potential energy difference per unit charge. So VB minus VA is equal to difference in potential energy, and if we divide by Q naught, then we can easily find out the electric potential energy difference per unit charge. So the difference in electric potential energy, as we all know, we have already calculated UB minus UA, and if first of all we find the electrostatic potential energy between these 2 points A and B, and then if we divide this difference in electrostatic potential difference with the test charge Q naught, so we can easily find out the work. There are two things with these, both the thing we can easily find out the difference in this thing. So here you can see here that this is the point A and this is the point B. So we can either we can take unit positive charge and then calculate the work done from A to B to bring unit positive charge from A to B, or we can find out the work done to bring for the test charge Q naught from A to B and find out the difference, the energy, the work done, and divide by Q naught. Then again we can find out this VB minus VA. So both the way we can find out. So let's see how we can find out. So here you can see here this is the source charge and it is producing electric field, and this is the point A, and Q naught, a test positive charge, is kept over here. So what will happen now, we have to find out the work done to bring this Q naught from A to B, and then we will find the total work done and divide by Q naught will give the difference in potential between point A and B. And we know that at point E there is one force is acting, that is Fa, which is away from the point A in this direction, and we have to bring this Q naught in this direction along B, toward the B. So suppose we bring it toward the B with small displacement dr, so that a small amount of work done is given by dW is equal to Fa into dr, and the difference the angle between Fa and dr is 180 degree. So it comes out to be this. We have already seen all these expression in the previous slide. So the total work is given by the integration of dW from A to B, and it is given by this and this expression. So finally we come here, this we have already derived, and this is the same expression we have already derived in this. So the WAB is equal to this much, Q naught minus Q naught into Q upon 4 pi epsilon minus 1 upon RB plus 1 upon RA. And so this is the work done which we have calculated, and if we divide it with the Q naught, then you can see the potential difference between these 2 points is given by this one. So this is the electrostatic potential difference between 2 point A and B.